that okay, babe? Okay, hello, hi, how are you? I hope all is well. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. So, don't make fun of me. So I wanted to make a quick video on a michelada recipe. Yeah, I just started doing this, so I have my little recipe that I've been doing.
Why are you looking at me?
I'm not. So I'm gonna make a really quick one. Okay, so I already pre-seasoned my rim of my cup with chamoy and Tajin. And I already added ice. And so real quick, okay, I just add a little lime salt like that on the ice. Yes, okay, and then I add a little Tajin like that. I like to add all the little seasoning on the ice first before I add my tomato juice and beer. What am I saying? Okay, and then I'm using the Alamo Candy Co. The Great Taste of Texas. Chamoy. And I add a little bit on my ice. This is how much I add. You can add more or less. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little tapatio. You can add Tabasco if you want. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 shakes. Alrighty. And then I don't know how to pronounce this thing, but you're gonna add a little bit of this Worcestershire Sauce. You don't have to if you want to, but okay, add a little too much. Okay, a little bit of that. And I have my little limey right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of lime. I don't have my little holder to my tripod, so I can't face the camera down, but it's okay. And you're just gonna squeeze lime all over your ice, or you can use lemon. I like a lot of lime. Okay. I think I'm missing something. Okay, lime. And then I'm gonna use some V8 as my tomato juice, spicy hot. You can use clamato or clamato, whatever it's called. That one is clam juice mixed with tomato juice. I prefer V8. And so you're just gonna add a little bit like this. I added a little too much, but it's okay. Can't see on the video. And then I'm going to add my choice of beer, which is Modelo Especial. And you can add whatever Mexican beer you like Dos Equis or Tecate or Pacifico. I'm going to use Modelo. And then you just add your beer like this, all the way to the top. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little extra of that. Then you can just mix it all up. And then you can garnish your cup. I'm just gonna use a lime. But you can make it cute and use a little grilled shrimp or some cucumbers or olives. And voila. This is my award-winning homemade michelada. And it's perfect for a winter storm day. It's perfect for a Valentine's Day. It's perfect for a family day eating grilled cheese. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself a grilled cheese and enjoy this ice cold refreshing michelada. So yeah, have a great day.